A lot of what the world is funding are these transitional shelters.
Buddy Persons, Senior Vice President of the DRC Group, just returned from a recent trip to Haiti. He says the images on the news, even a year after the earthquake, don't show all the devastation.
Till you witness it firsthand, you really don't know how bad it is, and it's really, really bad. And some of the kids will carry the rocks on their head to make some money.
Persons' company began work in Haiti a day after the earthquake, helping to recover bodies. Now his crews are building permanent houses for residents and UN workers. They've employed many Haitians.
The Haitians as a whole are wonderful people, hardworking, and way more skilled than people would imagine. So we've been able to group together a lot of the locals and Haitians to work on our projects with our company. We've been extremely happy with them.
Persons says progress has been slow in Haiti. There is a long way to go to rebuild the country, but he has seen some improvement.
It's been slow, but the difference from now and a year ago was that you actually can pass most of the streets. So there is a little bit of difference. The garbage is a little bit better, but for the most part, it is still very, very bad.
Persons expects his company to continue the rewarding work of rebuilding in Haiti for at least 5 years. Devin Walsh, News 5.